Do you feel the vibes?
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve Rubik's Cube in 4 seconds. You just need to follow this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. And fast. You need to follow this algorithm 6 times. Okay? Again. Okay, next algorithm is M prime, U prime, M prime, U prime. And you need to follow this algorithm 8 times. And it's solved in 4 seconds. Easy. I will show it in one trick. This, and this. And it's nice cube, man. It's Rubik's brand. I will buy new. And in next videos I will show you its CFOP method, Friedrich method.